breaking out around my vulva. Hi, I'm Dr. Amy Nguyen, also known as Dr. Rejuvenation. Here are a few reasons why you might be experiencing breakouts around your vulva. Number one, ingrown hairs. This is a common culprit, especially after shaving or waxing. The hair gets trapped under the skin and can cause irritation, redness, and bumps. You could also develop folliculitis. This is an inflammation of the hair follicles. It can be caused by bacteria, friction from clothing, or even shaving. Folliculitis can cause these annoying red, itchy bumps. There's also contact dermatitis. This is a rash caused by irritation from harsh soaps, detergents, fabrics, or other products that come into contact with the skin of your vulva and can cause redness, itching, and even burning. Then there's vaginal acne. Yes, believe it or not, acne can also occur on the vulva. It's caused by clogged pores and can look like small whiteheads or red pimples. There's also yeast infection. While less likely to cause breakouts, specifically a yeast infection can sometimes lead to irritation and small red bumps in the vulvar area. This would usually be accompanied by vaginal itching and burning internally and sometimes externally. So here's what you can do. One, avoid irritants. Pay attention to what products you're using on your vulva and switch to fragrance-free, gentler options. Also, cleanse the area gently. You can use a mild fragrance-free cleanser when showering. Avoid any kind of harsh scrubbing or harsh chemicals. Loose clothing, I always say let the area breathe. Wear looser fitting, breathable cotton underwear or wear nothing to reduce the friction and irritation. Avoid shaving. Shaving and waxing can irritate the vulva. If the breakouts are severe, painful, or don't improve within a few days, it's important to see a doctor or a gynecologist. They can diagnose the cause and recommend the best course of treatment.